Hey everyone, I'm Charlie with Merchant Automotive. Over time, your radiator coolant surge tank may become dirty, making it difficult to see the coolant level, or it may develop a leak and have to be replaced. This can be a result of contamination in the cooling system or degraded coolant. And with the chambered design of these tanks, cleaning it thoroughly can prove to be very difficult. We also recommend replacement if the low coolant sensor is malfunctioning or faulty, as it's integrated into the tank and not a serviceable part. We have OEM replacements available for the LB7, LLY, and LBZ. The LMM, LML, and also the new L5P with the dual tank design that has the no pressure and pressure side. Pick yours up today on our website or give us a call. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Merchant Automotive's YouTube page to check out everything we've got going on. And comment below with any questions you have on these tanks, or if you guys have any other ideas for videos that you'd like to see, we'd love to hear that too. And thanks for watching.